Welcome! In front of me I have Nokia 8000 4G, and I'm gonna show you how to transfer the files from the internal storage to SD card and other way around. First we need to open the file manager. To do it, press the middle button on the directional pad to open the menu, like this. Now move through the menu by using the directional pad, like up and down buttons. Scroll through the menu, find the option called, or rather icon called File Manager. It's right here on the third page, top right corner. Select the File Manager and press the middle button to open it. Now, as you can see, we have the selection between internal and SD card. First, let's select the internal storage and then press the middle button to open it. And here we have the list of folders on our internal storage. Let's find the files we want to move. I'm gonna open the DCIM folder, screenshots, and here I have a screenshot I want to move to the SD card, for example. To do it, select the file you want to move. As you can see, it's already selected because we have only one file. Press the right selection button to open the options. You will see this menu right here. Select the option called Move and press the middle button to confirm. Now we have this Move option right here. That means we can move the file. Basically, we're already in the process of moving a file. Now let's press the back button to go back to the previous folder, like this. Again and again to go back to the main menu. I'm gonna select the SD card because I want to move my file to the SD card. Press middle button to open, and here we have list of folders on our SD card. I'm gonna open the DCIM folder by pressing the middle button, and let's say I'm gonna move my file right here into the DCIM folder. To do it, simply press the right selection button that's corresponding to move, like this. As you can see, it's moving the item, and here we have it. It moved our screenshot right here to the DCIM folder on the SD card. We can also move the files back, or rather from the SD card to internal storage. To do it, select the files you want to move. So, for example, this time I'm gonna open this 100 KOS folder, KOS rather, and here I have photos. And let's say I want to move them, or a couple of them. To do it, select the file by simply selecting it, hover over it, then press the right selection button to open the options. And again, here we have move option, select it. But for example, if you want to select more than one item, scroll through this menu right here, find the option called select items, select it, and now we can select multiple files. So I'm gonna select, let's select all of them basically. So let's select 4, 5. As you can see, they are selected. Now we can press the right selection button again to open the options, and here select move, press the select, and again press the back button to go back. I'm gonna open the internal storage, find the folder, for example photos, and then press the move button, or rather right selection button to perform the move action, and wait. And here we have our files back, or rather on the internal storage in the photos folder. And that's how you transfer the files from the internal storage to SD card and other way around. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.